Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super cute gummy bear keychains. These are pretty easy to make and the gummy bears are plastic rather than glass, so they make pretty good keychains as well as they're super cute and fun and unique, very iCarly reminiscent. But let's just get right into the supplies that you'll need to make these keychains. You will need chain. I have mine pre-sized here just so that it's easier for the video. It is 32 chain links long, but that will just depend on how many gummy bears you use. But I will be using 6 today. And then you're gonna need a key ring, and then I have a 6mm jump ring, and then 6 4mm jump rings, and then my 6 gummy bears. I'll be using black and green, and then you'll need some jewelry pliers. So for this first step, you'll need your chain, key ring, and your big jump ring, your 6mm jump ring. So you're going to open your 6mm jump ring and put your key ring in there and the last link of your chain, doesn't matter which end, and then close up that jump ring. Now we're gonna take our first gummy bear and our first 4mm jump ring, and you're gonna wanna put it on the second chain link. So you would put it on the first one, but because the other jump ring is on there, it's likely that a second jump ring will not fit through your chain. It just depends on how big your chain is as well. But we're just gonna put the jump ring on that second chain link and then put the gummy bear on there and close it up just like that. Now we have our first gummy bear on the keychain. Now we're gonna take our second jump ring and open it up, and then we are going to go over to our chain here. We're gonna start counting on our next open chain link. So the one that comes right after the gummy bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 6th chain link, you'll put your jump ring through there. Then you'll put your gummy bear on that jump ring and close it up. So basically, you want to have 5 empty chain links in between each gummy bear. So then we're gonna take our next jump ring, open that up, and then we're gonna count starting after our first gummy bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on that 6th chain link we'll put our jump ring, and then we'll put our next gummy bear. I'm just gonna do the same thing again, open up that next jump ring, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put the jump ring on that 6th chain link, put the gummy bear on there, and close it up. So now our keychain looks like this. This is the 5th gummy bear we put on, and there should just be this little tail left. We're gonna put our last gummy bear on that last chain link. So that one's super easy because you don't even have to count it while trying to put the jump ring on the chain. I still counted it beforehand just to make sure there is the right number of chain links on there, but just gonna close that up just like that. Now you have your keychain. But that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe. I'm planning on doing a bunch more keychain tutorials with all kinds of different themes, as well as I'm going to be doing a lot more jewelry and crafty type videos like this. Tell me in the comments down below what color combination you would like to make for a gummy bear keychain. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.